Hello friends, welcome to Intellective Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss one hiring challenge, that is Scalar hiring challenge. So this challenge will held on 8th of August and this challenge is for internship and full-time opportunities. Okay, so let's see the details of this contest. In this challenge there is no any percentage criteria. You can participate whatever percentage you have. Okay, so they will just judge you on the basis of your skill, passion and experience. So in this challenge there will be 5 problems based on data structures and algorithms. And through this challenge you will also get a participation certificate, but you have to attempt any one problem out of these 5. Okay, and your score should be above 0, then only you will get a participation certificate. So let's talk about eligibility criteria. So Indian students graduating in 2020, 2021 and 2022 and they are pursuing BTech or BE or MTech, ME, MCA, MS or dual degree, that is MTech plus BTech or PhD. So that all are eligible for this contest. Okay. Those who have graduated from their college, that is they are from 2020 batch, so they will get a full-time opportunity, and those who are still pursuing their bachelor degree, so they will get a chance for the internship. The top 200 contestants will be contacted after a contest to get their LinkedIn and resume to be reviewed by the recruitment team. So here are some rules given. Link is in the description. Just go through that link and you will get this page and read the rules and register for this contest. So once you will go through that link, so you will get this page. So just click on the sign up to participate. Once you will click on the sign up to participate, so you will get this page. So just fill your details and click on the sign up and continue. Okay. After sign up, just click on the login, and after login you will get a register button. Click on the register button. So they will just ask your name, college or university, batch and stream. Fill the details and click on the submit button. After that you will get a confirmation mail and test link also, but that link will be active on 8th of August, because test will start at 8th of August 6 p.m. and will end at 8th of August 9 p.m. and duration of test will be 3 hours. Okay, and there are some prizes also. The first prize is in Indian rupees 12,000, the second one is 6,000 and the third one is 3,000. Okay, and if you want to see the position, so you can just go through this link. Okay, so you will get the job profiles. Okay, so if you go through this link, so you will get these sheets. So here you can see the what is the eligibility criteria, job profiles and what is the joining date, package, etc. So guys, link is in the description. You can go through that link and register yourself for this contest. Okay, thanks for your time. See you in the next video and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.